Teals.
Hi, hello.
We're building a computer. Do you see this big red thing? It's a computer. And so Mike's here to help me as I put together this computer all by myself. I have itchiness because I'm lying. So we're gonna go ahead and we already opened up one side of this. We're gonna lay it down on the table and then we're just gonna put some in it.
Are you excited?
Are you excited?
I am.
I am too.
She's even more excited.
It's my computer. You see in there? Get it right. Get it right. You ever wondered how to put a computer together? Just very front and back. One side's maybe Spanish, the other side. Oh, there's some Chinese on here too. What is this?
A box.
Can I take that out?
Yeah.
Jam it in there.
Watch this.
Ah!
This is gonna take 3 hours.
You need this.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yeah.
This is heavy. Hey Michael, if you were a condom, what kind of condom?
On older power supplies, all these cables came in like a big tube. They just came out of the power supply. But now, they give you options. Do you want to use this one? You can if you want. Fun fact.
Now we're gonna put the bad guy from the Matrix in the computer.
What are you doing? Okay.
He's in! This is taking so long. I thought this was gonna take like 20 minutes tops, and it's taking like a lot longer than I was expecting. Damn it.
That's craft. With putting this big chunk. Oh, damn it. Oh, okay. Gross.
Michael,
What?
is it done? Did you computer?
Anything on a computer?
Did we computer?
It's gonna boot up, boot right up.
Get that booty.
All right.
Oh,
Well, that's a good sign.
all the lights.
There it is.
Ah! Ah! I'm not yawning because I'm bored, I'm yawning because I'm happy. We did it! Look, there's a computer right there. Do you see it? I see it. Very excited about the whole thing. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in this video, I built a computer. And by I mean Mike. I realize that he did literally everything. He's very smart. You're a very smart, handsome man.
Holla. Thank you. These holes are meant for penetrating.
Oh.
I had to.